Hello. Welcome to another video. And today I'm gonna show you some tips, things that I do in order to have a better visual when you use Canva. Because there is one option that Canva doesn't have, but for me it's very important to do that as something that I really love to do. So I'm gonna explain to you. It's quite simple. You have this option with animation for when you use PowerPoint or Google Slide, but with Canva, unfortunately, you don't have it. So here we go. Now this is an example. So it's just a visual that I made, easy peasy. So what I want to do, as you can see, now you have a list, you have a bulletproof of on the PPT. What I want to do, c'est I want it to appear one by one. C'est j'aurais besoin de one, il me faudrait one by one. So how you can do that? It's easy. So as you can see, now you have the full page. So what you have to do is like duplicate page. So what you're gonna do is like up. Now you're gonna just take all. Oops, sorry. Up. Control A, Control C. So you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna duplicate the page 8 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let's go to the first one. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do that. Now you've got the first one. You go to the second page. I think you get the idea where I'm going right now, right? Now you do that. So as you can see, it takes 2 minutes, but it's a game changer when you're teaching. For me, I think it's really important that the student he has the focus on what you're doing now, which is very important. You know, if he has like too much information on in front of him, he may tend to read everything and lose focus. So if it's one by one, it make definitely things easier. So for me, I think it's important to do that. And that was something that was missing when you use Canva. And it's a simple trick, but it's a game changer. So as you can see, now that's the same thing. So when you go here to present, we're gonna present and you're gonna understand what I'm talking about better. So ta-da, now you have it. Oh, I have to go back. See? So you have your so you have the first one, and when you advance, boop, 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 boop. So you can explain one by one. And I think this is the brilliant things that you really have to do. As you can see, it doesn't take much time to do it, but it's still very important. At least I do it after you can do what you want, but I really recommend you to do that. So that's it for today. It was a very short video, but it's a very important tips. And as you can see, Canva you can use to make nice visuals, which is very important for teaching. So I wish you to have a brilliant day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be happy to help, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.